Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a dropshipping website using Odoo. Let's dive right in. Odoo is an all-in-one platform that enables you to manage various aspects of your business seamlessly. From accounting and contract signing to customer relationship management, CRM and subscriptions, Odoo covers a wide range of business needs. Among its many features, website creation stands out as a highly sought-after capability. Odoo offers tools to create different types of websites, including business websites, e-commerce platforms, and even e-learning websites. For example, if you're looking to build an online course platform similar to Udemy, Odoo provides you with the tools to make it happen. You can even incorporate live chat support into your site to enhance user engagement. While website design is a prominent feature, Odoo goes beyond that. It includes applications for sales, operations, marketing, and human resources management, making it a comprehensive solution for businesses of all sizes. If you're considering building an e-commerce or e-learning website, you can start for free. However, premium features such as live chat or advanced e-learning functionalities require a paid plan, which you can access after a 15-day free trial. To show you how easy it is to create a website in Odoo, let's begin by selecting the Website and E-commerce options. After clicking Continue, you'll need to fill in some basic information. Once you click Start Now, Odoo will begin the process of creating your website. You'll then be directed to a page where you can select the type of website you want to build, whether it's a business website, online store, event website, or e-learning platform. Odoo simplifies the design process by offering pre-made templates tailored to your specific niche. You can choose a template, and within seconds, you'll have a functional website framework ready to be customized. These templates come with essential sections like a hero section, product gallery, a Why Choose Us section, and an About Us section. The drag and drop editor allows you to customize these sections effortlessly, so you don't need any coding experience to make adjustments. At this stage, your website may not have any products uploaded yet, which is why it might display a message like No Product Found. Adding products to your website is straightforward. Navigate to the e-commerce section and click on Products. From there, select the option to Create a New Product. You'll be prompted to fill out the necessary details, including the product name, images, type, price, and applicable tax. For example, if you're adding a product like a baby t-shirt, you would upload an image, select the product type, set the price to 14.99 rupees, and define a 5% GST. Once you've entered all the details, click Save. To facilitate online transactions, you can integrate a payment gateway into your website. For international payments, Stripe is a reliable option. Simply sign up for an account, activate it, and integrate it with your Odoo website. For Indian businesses, Razorpay is a great alternative. By setting up the appropriate payment gateway, you'll be ready to accept payments seamlessly. Now, while Odoo is a powerful platform, it does have some limitations. Customization options can feel restrictive if you're aiming to build a highly professional or unique website. Additionally, if you're planning to create an e-commerce store, Odoo may not be the most budget-friendly solution, especially when compared to platforms that cater specifically to e-commerce needs. Lastly, dropshipping with Odoo is not a viable option, as the platform lacks supplier integration and automation features crucial for running a successful dropshipping business. And there you have it. That's how you can create a dropshipping website using Odoo. While it may not be the ideal platform for dropshipping, it still offers robust tools for general website creation and business management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.